Howdy folks, how you doing today? My name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to remove and install your lumbar on the Steelcase gesture chair. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get started. What I want to do is have you stand behind the chair. We're going to grab the bottom of the back pad down here, and we're going to raise up gently and slowly in a straight up position until the back removes. We're going to fold the back down on the seat, grab our lumbar, and we're going to insert it into the slot in the middle, like so. And if you'd like to remove the lumbar, just reverse the process. Hold the clip down on the lumbar, pass it through the slot, and off you go. So we're going to install it here. Come back behind the chair. Get our lumbar handles around the back frame. So we want to line the back pad up with the tabs on the back frame here. Lift the back pad up and above the tabs. Slide down. You'll hear 2 audible clicks. You now have a fully functioning lumbar for your Steelcase gesture chair. So as you can see, not much to it. That's how you install your lumbar on the Steelcase gesture chair. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, guys. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. That's how you install your Steelcase gesture lumbar. I screwed up, so I want to do it again.